Do you think New York, Paris, or London are futuristic cities?
But the New York still runs on the traffic system and the infrastructure designed over 100 years ago, and the Paris is famous for historical buildings that barely integrates the modern technology.
Meanwhile, in these Chinese cities, AI algorithms control the traffic of entire cities automatically.
New York sees around 1.3 billion travelers annually.
But Chongqing alone handles more than 2 billion travelers every year.
And yes, pilotless taxis are already becoming reality here. And the truth is, these Chinese cities are nearly 100 years ahead of the rest of the world in technology and infrastructure. If you are a businessman or an average person, if you don't understand these cities, then that might be the biggest mistake of your life. Today, I'm taking you 10 mind-blowing Chinese cities and showing you what they produce to power the entire world. Let's go.
People compare Shenzhen to Silicon Valley, but Silicon Valley only writes software code. Shenzhen turns that code into physical reality. This city is almost entirely electric, and the drones literally deliver food from the sky here. This single city produces most of the world's electronics. In just the first 6 months of 2025, Shenzhen produced 2.75 million civilian drones. Its Huaqiangbei market is the largest hardware hub on earth, generating more than 20 billion yuan in annual sales. Many of the world's top smartphones and drones are manufactured right here and shipped globally.
Shenzhen built the gadgets, but the next city shipped them to the world. A fully automated ghost port where thousands of tons of cargo move without human workers. Let's head to the next city.
Ports around the world like Los Angeles still rely on thousands of workers unloading ships for days. But at Qingdao's hydrogen-powered 5G port, AI and robots handle almost everything automatically. This port is so efficient that it has broken global records 13 times. A single crane can load around 60 containers in just 1 hour.
That speed saves nearly $57 and 24 hours per container. Qingdao massively produces the home appliances brands like Haier and Hisense, along with heavy industrial goods directly exported to Europe and America. Qingdao dominates the ocean trade, but in Western China, there is a city that's breaking the law of geography itself. A place where you're walking on the ground floor, only to realize actually you're standing on the 22nd floor.
Tokyo may be famous for neon lights, but Chongqing is a real-life cyberpunk city. Built on steep mountains, this city is so complex that GPS system confused sometimes. And at Elizabeth Station, a train literally passes through the middle of a residential building.
Behind the insane neon infrastructure lies a massive industrial engine with a population for over 30 million. Chongqing is the biggest manufacturing hub in Western China. More than 120 industrial robotic companies operate here.
The city produces heavy machinery, auto parts, and diesel engines, which are exported directly to Europe and the rest of the world by rail.
Chongqing infrastructure is the peak of mechanical power. But the next city doesn't run on physical power. It runs on digital intelligence. It's a place where you won't see the traffic police, but the AI control the entire city. Juice is finished, so let's move to the next stop. Most cities still depend on traffic police, but Hangzhou is powered by Alibaba ET City Brain,
a super AI system that analyzes traffic cameras and changes traffic signals automatically, increasing travel efficiency by nearly 15%. Hangzhou isn't just a tech city, it's also a global king of e-commerce and textiles. It's just the first 8 months of 2025, the city generated around 568.3 billion yuan in foreign trade. Premium silk, textiles, and dropshipping products are exported directly from here to Europe and ASEAN countries. Hangzhou's AI controls cars on the ground efficiently.
But I keep seeing another Chinese city online where vehicles are no longer limited to the road. They have started flying in the sky. Our next stop, Guangzhou.
Most major cities are still stuck with regular ride-sharing cars, but Guangzhou has already started flying passengers through the air. The company Yihang has successfully certified the world's first fully autonomous passenger flying taxis here. After more than 40,000 test flights, pilotless air travel is becoming reality.
Guangzhou is the world's largest wholesale and fashion hub. Markets like Baima and Shanghai produces massive volume of apparel, leather goods, fast fashion products that feed the global supply chain. If you own a clothing brand, there's a very high chance that your competitor is sourcing from here already. Beyond flying taxis, China is also digitalizing manufacturing itself. Our next stop is a city where the factories are cloned digitally before they even built physically.
Because of its beautiful canals, Suzhou is often called the Venus of the East. But the real story here isn't in the water, it's hidden inside its factories. Suzhou's industrial parks run on digital twin technology, meaning entire factories are first built as virtual 3D simulations, where AI predicts mechanical failures before physical production even begins. This extreme level of technology has attracted more than 17,000 foreign-funded enterprises. Suzhou is one of China's largest hubs for semiconductor chip, medical devices, IT manufacturing, biotechnology production. Products from here are supplied directly to global tech giants.
The journey is getting expensive. Let's see what the map says next.
Only 4 cities left, so now things get even crazier. A monorail with a transparent glass floor suspended in the sky, that's already reality in Wuhan's Optical Valley. More than 2.6 million passengers have already traveled on the Optical Valley photon. Wuhan is the heart of China's telecommunication and laser technology industry. Since 2013, the city has built a 100 billion yuan optical fiber industry. Telecommunication equipment, networking hardware, and advanced laser systems are manufactured here and exported worldwide.
Wuhan is reinventing transportation, but there is another Chinese city that has managed to combine with extreme technology with nature itself.
Dubai became famous for artificial islands, but Tianjin and Singapore built something even more ambitious, a 30 square kilometers eco-city, powered almost entirely by solar and geothermal energy. Water is recycled here, driverless buses operate on the streets, and pollution is almost non-existent. Despite being eco-friendly, Tianjin is also a manufacturing monster. The city produces integrated circuits, aerospace components, specialized ships, advanced industrial equipment, and exports more than $5 billion worth of goods every single month.
After Tianjin green factories, now we move to the city, writing the code for next 100 years.
China's capital isn't just famous for history anymore, it's becoming one of the world's biggest AI centers. Driverless Baidu Apollo robotaxis already operates across the city. While the rest of the world debates AI regulations, Beijing is building a $150 billion AI industry. If you want high-end software, telecommunication equipment, AI-driven technologies, then Beijing is the ultimate hub. Its digital economy generates trillions of yuan annually. This city isn't about cheap toys anymore. It's about enterprise technology, corporate B2B deals, and the future of artificial intelligence. Beijing writes the code for the future.
But who sells those billion-dollar products to the world? Our final city, China's financial monster.
Even Wall Street looks small compared to Shanghai. Shanghai's citizen cloud system managed the life of 24 million people through a single digital platform. This city is the ultimate fusion of technology, finance, infrastructure, modernization. Together with the Yangtze River Delta, Shanghai handles 36.5% of China's total foreign trade. The city exports heavy machinery, SAIC automobiles, semiconductors, biomedical products to every corner of the world. Shanghai is the undisputed king of global trade and high-end corporate networking.
Most people look at these cities, they only see the futuristic building, flying taxis, and AI robots. If you think like a businessman, you realize something important. These cities are not science fiction. They are the engine of global supply chain. The biggest mistake a businessman can make today, still relying on outdated sourcing method. Now you know. If you want advanced drones, go to Shenzhen.
Heavy machinery, Chongqing. Fast fashion manufacturing, Guangzhou dominates that space. But accessing these factories directly isn't easy because you need proper understanding, meaning face-to-face trust and relationships, and understanding these supply chains requires real boots on the ground.
If you want to leverage the manufacturing power of these cyberpunk cities in your business, you don't need to figure it out alone because my sourcing team is already operating in these cities. We help businesses source authentic product from the right factories at the right price. The link is in the description. Which of these 10 cities impressed you the most? Let me know in the comment. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so we can explore the future together. I'm Zia Basi, stay premium.